At this Bearspaw acreage home, we were contracted to help with some significant upgrades and renovations to the property. On the back of the home, we replaced the existing upper deck with a larger deck and a custom sunroom. This provided a stunning outdoor living space overlooking the backyard that connects the home to the outdoors and includes such custom features as a custom welded aluminum bar with a granite counter, topless glass handrail, durable sheet vinyl decking, and of course, the gorgeous sunroom living space. This view through the topless rail looks out over the garden beds that we renovated with new planting and crushed rundlestone mulch, as well as concrete edging and sod. The lower area of the garden required moving the existing shed to a new location and developing a vegetable garden around it, which includes Belvedere walling for planters, a large precast fountain, crushed stone pathways, a cedar trellis with an arbor top featuring a screen with custom inserts depicting scenes of the foothills and mountains of Alberta that have a special meaning to this homeowner. And eventually, grapes will become established on this trellis as the garden matures. Adjacent to the shed is an existing pond which is used for irrigation of the property. We installed a small cedar dock and landing area to access the pond for activities like skating and also to house the pump for the irrigation. Around the other side of the house, we completely renovated the existing landscaping, adding Allan block retaining walls and steps, new planting beds including crushed rundlestone mulch for low maintenance, concrete curbing, hardy plant material, and Roman pavers connecting the back of the garden with the front door and the new asphalt driveway. The final project is a real showpiece that the homeowner plans to enjoy for years to come.